Right guys, welcome back to another video. In the last vlog you would have seen I was buying a new helmet. Today we've got that new helmet. Nolan X-804 RS. I believe this is like the ultra carbon. I think they call it ultra carbon, and it's, I'm going to butcher this, ASSO 𝗦𝗽cie? Maybe? ASSO 𝗦𝗽cie? Whatever. Anyway, do a little unboxing of this, take you over all of the features, the spec sheet, and why I got another new helmet, because I think this is my fourth new helmet, fourth, and I'll compare it to my old 𝗦𝗽cie which I got over there on the bike. So, comes in this lovely little box, a little bit of foam, keep it extra padded. So this is like a more race track spec helmet. So it does come with a silver visor. We'll go over that in a sec. Comes with the helmet itself in a lovely Nolan helmet cover. That there. And then in the warranty packet, let's call it, just tech spec sheet and some extra, looks like fittings for the helmet. I think these are for like quick release, like visor wipes, screen wipes. So no, I'm sure we'll find out. Put that box to one side. Alright, let's have a look at this helmet. I know you're all going to kill me because I don't have like a little helmet stand. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ooh. Oh, look at that. That is a nice helmet, isn't it? Oh, it's going to look so much better than my 𝗦𝗽cie. Look at that. In the last video you've seen, I tried this on. I've actually managed to go down a shell size. Normally I wear like a double XL. I think in my 𝗦𝗽cie I really needed a 3XL because it's so tight on my head. But I managed to get an XL in this. Looks so good. Look at that. Doesn't have that green liner, which I like. I was worried about that. I thought it was going to come with the green liners inside. So it looks like it comes with a pin lock ready. So Nolan must be approved to fit them. So I'll read off of this because your boy is not the helmet connoisseur. So we've got something called 𝗫𝗫𝗫, which is the Nolan emergency release system, which is this. So it's like you just pull the nose like the emergency cords. Yeah, in emergency tug on nose. You tug on nose and they pull out. Don't know what camel bag predisposition is. It's eyewear adaptive, so I should be able to get my glasses on with these, but I don't wear my glasses because there's no pin lock on glasses. Safety visor lock. Oh yeah, so this is actually a really cool feature, guys, that 2TT told me. So when you push this in, there's actually a lock here, so you can't lift the visor back up. This is like a nice safety feature. See there, little red button. Open, down, close, locked. Can't push it. Obviously air vents. One there. I think this one's to the bottom ones. There we go. Goes in, and then you got the vents on top. There's no ACU gold sticker. But these are ACU Gold approved because I did check, because I mainly specifically bought this for my track day tomorrow. So I'm hoping I should still be able to get on. If not, I'm going to bring my 𝗦𝗽cie with me anyway. But right, let's put that silver visor on. So I think that'll look a lot nicer. Yeah, that's much better. Look at that. Look at that. Take those stickers off though. So I'll try to change this on camera for you, lads. And then we'll go over some of the spec of the helmet and why I decided to choose it. 2 little tabs on the side here, but these little hooks here, just twist them. It comes out. Same on the other side. Oh, probably. But yeah, you go. Most helmets you have to do at the top, I believe. There you go. So obviously I can put the pin lock on the other visor, but just for now, I'm just gonna put it on. Alright, these do move. If you can see here, these are these little swivel bobs, and there's obviously like 2 little clips here. You can see that on the camera. So I think when fitting it to the helmet, make sure those are lined up with those little holes here. There's 2 little like indents without scratching the helmet. So line that up, and then if I twist, there you go, that's one. Put that in. And I believe, guys, this should like spin that cogwheel so it locks in. So I'll do the other side. Trying to not scratch the helmet. Oh yeah. Take these little stickers off. I bet it leaves the residue, doesn't it? Give it a little clean. Look at that, guys. Look how nice that looks. So, let's read off a couple of the features. Right, so this one is made of complete carbon fiber, guys. It is ECE 2206 approved. Visor wise is ultra wide, flat, and scratch resistance. I think probably this one's going to be the scratch resistance one. Yeah, with the pin lock. Safety visor lock system, which obviously I showed you guys, which is that. So that is a really nice feature, because I always struggle with the HJC when I'm riding quite quick down like country roads or mainly the motorway. My visor, even when it was shut, something that used to flick up. A couple of times I did get really worried. Ventilation, so racetrack aerodynamic spoiler. I mean, it does have a really nice big spoiler on it. Like that is beautiful. So nice. Racing airflow vents. So like I said previously, got the one on top and the one down here. So I'm sure when I use this tomorrow on track, I'll be able to let you know how it does. Nolan emergency release system. And then 3D shaped cheek pads with removable options for increased and reduced thickness. I've tried this on the store and it was quite nice actually, so I think I'll be okay. Track readiness includes a track-only visor ready for tear-off and tear-off kit. So I imagine the tear-off kit goes around these little knobbles, because I believe this is to tighten the pin lock, I'd imagine. And then other wind protector, breath deflector, rear profile design to improve neck mobility and race posture. I suppose it comes up quite high on the back actually. Very nice. And this weighs, so in an extra large, 1,520 grams, plus optionals 1,570 grams. So not bad at all, pretty light. I suppose, considering you got to imagine I'm an extra large, so most people that race and wear helmets, I mean a lot of people have smaller heads than me. So it would be a lot lighter for them, probably like 13 to 1400 maybe. But every little helps, because when I check the cameras on, it's going to be heavier. And the Cardo system. This is not Cardo ready, guys, I believe. Inside, there's not actually, like, there's like holes in the muffs. But it's not, I don't believe it's actually like Cardo ready. So it doesn't have cutouts in the foam. So as long as your ears don't sit in there, you'll be fine. But yeah, I mean, you wouldn't buy this just to use on the road. Like, this is going to be, obviously, I'm going to wear it on the road because street cred, looks cool as hell. But I will do another helmet video of setting it up for road vlogging and see what it is like. But let me get out my HJC and just compare them quickly. my 𝗦𝗽cie 𝗰𝗶𝗹𝗁𝗀, which is a fine helmet. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a bit dirty though. Right, so as you can see, size-wise, there's not a huge difference. The Nolan seems a bit taller, but side profiles, I think they should be able to see a nice clear comparison now. Look at the difference. Look at the lines. Curves back in, this stays up and round. I know this doesn't matter about, you know, vlogging helmets and stuff like that. Still a great helmet. Budget wise, I think I paid $230. This is a £600 helmet, I believe. This was on sale though. I managed to pick this up for £350 from Infinity Motorcycles, Farnborough. Last one in stock, so don't even try it, because you ain't gonna get it. But I'm gonna try them both on in a sec. But the reason why I wanted to get a new helmet, I don't know what it is with this helmet. Looks wise, it's actually not the nicest. I've got a big head, so wearing a 2XL helmet, on my head, being the size it is, makes my head look very unpleasant. It makes my head look like a bloody bowling ball, like it is horrible. But I wanted to change helmets anyway, because, you know, I don't ride for Instagram, but I do Instagram content, I do YouTube, and I want a helmet that I feel good in and I look nice in, because when I'm taking pictures of me on a bike, I want to look cool, right? Like, I don't want to look at my picture like, cool, blimey, look at the size of my fucking head. Like, I'm already big sitting on the bike. So that was one thing. Two, the cheek pads on this and the crown pad is so thick. Like like I said in my last video, past 3 or 4 rides, I was getting like 3-day migraines after wearing this. For like over an hour, I'd get a migraine, so I can't be out on the bike for longer than like an hour. And as well, there's not much ventilation, because when I like open up the vents here, there's one here and there's 2 here. There's nothing to deflect it off of my camera mic, so I don't get that good sounding quality. Obviously, I don't know what this sounds like yet, but yeah. So there was like 2 of the things, and obviously the third thing being like the visor flying up. So sometimes I would have it not clipped in, but like, well, it would be like clipped in here, and then occasionally it's almost like this. I don't know how it does it. Like maybe I didn't clip it in properly, but it was just, I'll be riding and bang, it just like flies up like with the wind. It doesn't sound the greatest either. Look. Loud old thing. But yeah, and as well, vision wise, I think it's got roughly the same size visor. But yeah, I just wanted to try something out new. Dream on 2 wheels recommended the Nolan as well. And obviously I've seen it a few times. It does look really nice. A very sporty look when you compare it to this. So I thought it'd be more aesthetically pleasing, safer. Basically, it's a track helmet that I can use on the road. But yeah, just wanted something different. So I'm going to try them on quickly. So I'll try on the 𝗦𝗽cie first. I'm going to put my belly on because I wear them all with my belly. So I don't know if you guys can see. So that's the side profile. If I stand over here, stand up straight, imagine I'm on a bike. Obviously it probably doesn't help because of the visor. It's not a nice looking visor. See-through, looks like a fishbowl. But yeah, and as well, there's a lot of like padding on the cheeks here, and it feels like it really squishes my mouth together. So when I talk, I'm very like lispy and muffly. Now let's try on the Nolan. So obviously it's going to be tight to get on to begin with because I haven't worn it. So from the front, it's still trying to search for my face. There you go. From the side. Just looks a lot more cooler. Feels nicer. Visor mechanism. Like that's really nice. It's not as loud. Obviously the vents. Safety locking as well. Overall, I'm really happy with this. Hopefully the cheek pads break in a little bit, but the crown feels much nicer. Does not feel super duper tight. I think once the cheek pads break in, it feels a lot nicer. So I'm very happy with that. Obviously can't give a full review right now because I haven't worn it on the road, but I will definitely get a helmet set up on this soon. Get the mount on, get the Cardo installed, and then go from there. But let's try to get a nice thumbnail. Right, looking good, thumbnail done. So if you guys did enjoy the video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos of this, let me know in the comments and I should see what I can do. But I will try to do a helmet setup on this video, on this helmet very, very soon. But we've got Brands Hatch tomorrow, so that'll be the next video after this. Brands Hatch prep, Brands Hatch vlog, Brands Hatch afterthoughts. So I'll just catch you guys in the next one.